Good morning, all of you. So today we will be discussing about the detailed syllabus for ICAR NET exam, which is prelims for ARS, SMS, and STO. So when coming to the food science discipline, food science discipline, I have taken the syllabus and also the textbooks which can be referred. There are more textbooks, but only the important ones are the books which can be referred in short span of time are given in the slides. So these are the 10 units. So the first unit is tropical fruit production. So here we will be dealing with the main tropical fruit crops, and in the syllabus there is no unit particularly for training and pruning, so we have to learn training and pruning practices with each unit, like in tropical fruit production as well as subtropical and temperate fruit production, and also in the growth and development unit also the topics related to training and pruning are given. What are the physiology behind all those things should be dealt in that chapter or that unit. So for this tropical fruit production, these books can be referred: Advances in Horticulture by K.L. Chadha and Opi Parikh, then Fruits Tropical and Subtropical by T.K. Bose, S.K. Mithra and D. Sanyal, then a textbook on pomology by T.K. Chattopadhyay, and this is having different volumes. So based on the unit which you are studying, for example tropical, you have to choose that volume, and for subtropical temperate there is another volume. Likewise you have to choose the T.K. Chattopadhyay book. So next unit is subtropical and temperate fruit production. So here also the same books can be referred, but for temperate fruits you can refer the book by S.K. Mitra, Pome and Stone Fruits, Volume 1. So here the crops like apple, pear, grapes, then lychee, these crops are of important, and also strawberry, which is gaining popularity even in subtropical and also even in tropical regions now, is can also be studied in detail. Then coming to breeding of fruit crops. So here this is an important unit. This can be learned from Breeding of Tropical and Subtropical Fruits by P.K. Ray, then Fruit Breeding by Emma Dinesh, and for temperate breeding you can check into the book Jeff Hancock, Temperate Fruit Crop Breeding, Jeff Lassen to Genomics. So unit 4 is growth and development of fruit crops. So for this unit, first of all we have to get an idea about the basic plant physiology and development, and also normal growth and development in any plant. For that we have to refer any of the basic books. Tace and Sager, the book by Tace and Sager, that is Plant Physiology and Development, is a good option. And after having an idea about the basic physiology, we can go into the fruit tree physiology by Dhillon. And here also you can see the topics pruning and training, like manipulation of growth development, impact of pruning training, then chemical manipulations in horticultural crops. These things are given and which we have to understand properly. Unit is biotechnology of fruit crops. Here markers are of important. Then organogenesis, embryogenesis. Like in growth and development, biotechnology also we should have the basic knowledge of biotechnology from the basic books like BDC. Then biotechnology of fruit and nut crops by Leeds can be referred for specifically for fruits. So here you can see for achievements of biotechnology in horticulture crops, recent achievements also you can be, which can be, you can check for the internet also. Then unit 6, that is propagation and nursery management of in food crops. A good number of questions comes from this unit also, so we should be very familiar and thorough with the basic asexual propagation methods like cutting, budding and grafting, layering, and also micropropagation. So we should know like different types and which crops are uh, in which crops which method is adopted commercially, all those things. And this nursery role of post-entry quarantine clean plan program, this can be some topics you can get from the internet also. So for this Hartman and Kester plant propagation can be referred. Then next is systematics of fruit crops. So how to name how the plant, which genus it comes, which family it belong, particular group, or what are the characters of particular group of plants which comes under this class. So likewise we have to learn in the systematics of fruit crops. So likewise questions can be there. Then GI, so the new GI given crops also should be checked. Then systematic pomology by Opi Parikh and S. Sharma can be referred, and also minimal descriptors by NBPGR. Then export oriented fruit production. Here also comes the protected. So in the syllabus there is no particular protected cultivation of fruit crops. Here comes different types of structures, quality fruit production under protected environment, different types of structures, automated greenhouses, glass house, shade net, polytunnel. For this, we can refer the book by KV Peter, Protected Cultivation. Then Chadda Care, Advances in Horticulture also can be referred. And for export details, recent, we can go to the government websites like APIDA, NHB, indiastat.com. And the second last unit is minor fruit production. So here we should be knowing about the basic details at least, for like the scientific name, family, like what is the bioactive component or what is the product prepared from, and also some of the minor fruit crops of regional importance also should be understood. So Peter KV, again underutilized and underexploited horticulture crops by NIPA publications. Then fruit production by Dylan also can be read. Then the last unit is post-harvest management of fruit crops. Here mainly questions can come from the basic physiology, like what is happening during ripening of fruits, like what are the textural changes, what happens, respiration, transpiration, all those things, and also the processing, like questions can come from pickle, jam, jelly, processed products. So for this we can refer book Post-Harvest Technology by KP Sudhir and Indira. Then Fruit and Vegetable Preservation Principles and Practices by Srivastav and Sanjeev Kumar. And in general, these books are good for references like Gloucester's Horticulture, Instant Horticulture, Basic Horticulture by Jitendra Singh, Handbook of Horticulture by ICR, Basic Horticulture by Ranjit Singh, then Fruits, Recent Initiative of Horticulture, Principles of Horticulture, Horticulture at a Glance, Fruit Production, Problems and Solutions by R.R. Sharma, then Fruit Crops by Radha and Matthew. So, thank you.